So here is the next GUI that the users met with. So the first button we can press here is generate cup match team. So this will generate a team based on the highest skill level, which is done by calculations of ratings of a player's skill. So here is a team sheet ranging from position 1 to position 15. And then if you want to generate the friendly match team, which refers to the fairest team in the sense that the players with the lowest percentage of matches available compared to matches played are selected to play for this team. So here, if I press this, this should come up. Lovely. Here is our team sheet here. The next button we can press is go to Players DB page. So if you press this, this will take us over to Players DB database and let us edit and do a range of functions here, but we will come on to this later. And then we have send out emails to players querying availability. So this will just send out an email to all players in the database, in the players DB database, and send an email to them asking are they free for the next upcoming fixture. So I press this and then go to output, console. As you can see, it says successful. So that can show it's been carried out. And back to output, the final one we have is create ratings DB database. If I press this, it will create a database, but obviously at the minute I'm not able to because I've already created one, as you can see on the left there, which has been used to create the cupped match team and the friendly match team.